With the Chef Buddy app, you can very easily share your menus and collect customer orders from various chat apps. I will first explain how you can share your menu with the customers, and in the second half of the video explain how you can save their orders on the Chef Buddy app. On your home screen, click on Smart Menus for chat apps. I have already added a few dishes in the app, which I can see here. If you want to add a new dish, you can click on Add Now and add that dish. Now select the items that you're planning to sell on a particular day and then click on Proceed. Here the app asks for certain delivery details. Let's say the order is for tomorrow. Delivery time is 1 p.m. Next, it asks you for a pre-order time. If there's a pre-order time or a cutoff time for placing orders, you can select that. Next is the mode of delivery. The bottom section of the screen is additional comments. This is an optional section where you can put various details like delivery charges, mode of payment, etc. You can edit this at any time. Make sure you save it for next time so that you don't have to enter these details again and again. Now click on Proceed. Your menu is created, but for sharing this with your customers on chat apps, click on the WhatsApp button below and select Share Menu and Order Link. This is how your menu is shared on WhatsApp. You can see that the menu goes with a quick order link. The customers can click on this quick order link and place their orders very easily. Now once you receive the customer's order, it is very important that you save it to the Chef Buddy app. Now here Amisha has sent her order, and that order comes with a link below. Now how can I save this order to the Chef Buddy app? It's very simple. Just click on the link in the customer's order. The app opens and shows you the buyers list. I've already added a few buyers here, but let's say if you want to add a new buyer, you can click on Add Now and add a new buyer. Now I'll select Amisha from the list and click on Proceed. If there's a delivery charge, I can click on the delivery charge and add it. Once done, click on Save and Confirm Order. And done. Now you can see for tomorrow there is one order, that is Amisha's order. And my earnings have also increased. For a seamless experience, it is important that you add some of your menu items on the app already. And if there are some regular customers of yours, you can also add them beforehand. Now, whatever smart menus you create, you will be able to see them under the live smart menus. You can go on the live smart menus and deactivate the menus by clicking on the three dots as you wish. Similarly, you can create more such menus and share it with your customers, but do not forget to save these orders on the Chef Buddy app.